So silly. Then we can buy all my fans the ones on the ceiling. Hey guys, watch the ducks for like 20-30 more minutes. Bye, bye, bye. Okay, raise your hand if you're here for the first time. Oh, cool, me too. Wow, okie dokie. Raise your hand if you're here for the last time. Yeah, me too. I get off in like 3 hours. We're trucking along. We're good. My name is Amy, and I will be your skipper, your guide, your yoga instructor. And if you don't laugh at my jokes, well, y'all, I'm gonna be your swimming instructor. And I don't know how to swim, so let's not do that, okay? We are now entering the Amazon River, where it is said to rain 365 days a year. That is almost every single day. Ah, I know, cool, right? We are now approaching Inspiration Falls, where it is, yeah. You wanna know why it's called Inspiration Falls, guys? It's where you to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everybody say ooh. Everybody say That's Inspiration if I've ever heard it, folks. We are now turning down the Congo River. Let's just see how far we can go. Okay, guys, I put together a very special surprise party for you guys. You want to go? Yeah? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Well, that's awkward. I can't see anyone canoe. No. I don't know what would have scared them off. Hey, how important today was for me. Why'd you say snakes. Why does it always have to be snakes? Hey, snakes. They're so constricting. Okay, we're gonna swing by my camp really quick and pick up a few things. It looks like a few of my guests have gone a little bananas, but you know, that's okay. I couldn't get my Jeep to start this morning, but they got it to turn over. We are now turning down the Nile River. This is the longest river in the world. It runs for 4,000 miles long. It runs for miles and miles and miles. And if you do not believe me, you are in denial. No, disbelief. Keep up, guys. Come on. Oh, there's a rare African elephant. Once in a lifetime opportunity, guys. I'm so glad you got to see him. Twice in a lifetime opportunity, guys. You're never gonna see another one. We are now passing the sandstone rock formation. I think it really rocks. A lot of people take it for granted, but it's one of our bolder attractions. Oh, guys, isn't that so sweet? That family of lions is watching that zebra. He's sleeping. I know. Oh, good. I'm not going to have to teach anybody to swim. Yeah, I know. He's sleeping, but he's okay, I promise. He's totally fine. Okay, up ahead, we have our world-famous Jungle Cruise band. Yeah, they went out looking for drums this morning. I think they found a horn instead. They'll get the point eventually. Come down. There's my friend Ina. Everybody say hi, Ina. I love that girl. She's so sweet. Okay, well, during this part of the Jungle Cruise, I'd like to point out my very favorite plants. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one. Yeah, that one down there. I don't like that one. You want to know why? Not my favorite color, because clearly khaki is my favorite color. And up ahead, we have the world-famous Schweitzer Falls, named after famous Dr. Albert Falls. You don't get it now, we'll go over it later. You feel that mist on your face, guys? Yeah, that's like 3 million bacteria. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Now, everybody always asks me, Skipper Amy, how did you land your job as a Jungle Cruise skipper? Well, I think it's pretty plain to see. I took a crash course, and I've kind of been winging it since then, but that's the tail end of my story. Oh my gosh, y'all, we've stumbled upon the hippo pool. Yeah, we might need to be a little quiet. They may have sunk 4 boats last week. I mean, 3 of them are mine. So as long as they're not hungry hippos, we should be okay, right? Maybe just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Whew, okay, that was the coolest one. And up ahead, we have our world-famous Jungle Cruise dancers. for fun or if they just forgot the key to the men's restroom again. I guess we'll never know. Okay, guys, I need everybody's help to be on the lookout for an ambush. So if you see something, say something, okay? Oh, guys, I'm so sorry, but if you got hit, I want you to pull it out, throw it back. We cannot keep souvenirs on the world famous Jungle Cruise. Okay, guys, get your cameras ready. This is the one, the only, the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water. O2H, 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 O2. Okay then, we're not doing that. We are now turning down the Mekong River. Looks like we stumbled upon a temple. Yeah, I don't remember this entrance. Yeah, I don't know what y'all talking about. That's a green rock. So yeah, this could either lead to treasure or be the end of us. Raise your hand if you want to go. Cool, you're my new captain. Keep your eyes open. Make sure everybody stays seated. I'm going to turn around and take a nap because I don't like where this is headed. About the incident. Technically, I'm not allowed to talk about the incident, but I lost half my boat. I told them to meet me back here like 2 weeks ago, and they still haven't. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure they're fine, right? Yeah, I'm sure they're fine. They're okay. They're okay. Oh, but guys, all of our elephants have their trunks on today. They're show ready. I know you all got your cameras out. Okay, so I taught a couple of the elephants some tricks, Peanut and Nugget. Let's see if we can find them. Peanut, what are you doing? No, Peanut, no. Okay, so it turns out you can't teach old elephants new tricks. Yeah, it doesn't work. Peanut, no. Nugget, no. Yeah, and if y'all think that's water, well, it's not. Okay, good. We're still not going to have to do swimming lessons. Okay, guys. Well, this would not be a trip on the world famous Jungle Cruise without seeing my very best friend, Trader Sam. Everybody say hi, Trader Sam. Trader Sam is a head salesman of the jungle, but sales have been kind of shrinking lately. He has a special deal. 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. Any takers? Anyway, slice it or dice it, you come out ahead above. Now, guys, this is the scary part of our journey. The return to civilization. Please keep all arms, hands, feet, legs, and big ears at the boat at all times. Please remain seated. Parents, please watch your children. Children, please watch your parents. They are the ones worried about. The world famous Jungle Cruise is brought to you by Animal Crackers, teaching children from a very young age that all animals taste the same. Especially really good if they're covered in pink and white frosting with sprinkles. Ah, I know, so exciting, right? They're so good. Is anybody catching the fireworks tonight?
Yes.
Guys, you can't do that. You gotta let it go. No. Okay, guys. Well, this Jungle Cruise has been exactly like my family reunions. We've laughed together. We've cried together. And, well, we've stared awkwardly at each other. But it's okay. And I say this with all of the love in the world.
Watch your elbow.
Get out. Oh, I'm so sorry. Where is my southern hospitality? Please get out, y'all, when the boat comes to a full and complete stop.